Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you some dope apps to jumpstart 2018. So let's get started. First on the list we have Retro Music Player. So with this one, it's the design that caught my eye. On the home page, you've got this animation at the top along with a greeting, and below that you can check your listening history, last added, recent tracks and artists. Tap on the left corner to browse through all your music or go through selected folders. The main fun though is in the settings menu. For the color scheme, you can choose the general theme that is either dark or light and also a custom accent color. For audio, you can enable gapless playback and also mess around with the equalizer. Another thing you can change is the now playing appearance that is either full, flat, plain, simple or even blur. It also supports cornered edges along with immersive mode. Moving on, we have a photo editor called Portra. So it doesn't come with the usual editing tools but instead has a bunch of unique filters that you can apply. The filters have different colors, effects, textures and looks. They include indigo, raspberry, violet, bunny and many more. You have two settings that you can change, that is the intensity and size of the filter. There are also different frames that you can add to your photos such as whitewash, marvelous, thin gold and others. After that you can directly show off your edit on Facebook or Instagram or even save it to your gallery. Next, we have a simple widget app, Stuff to Do. Place it on your home screen and resize it as you like. It has 4 categories of tasks, that is today, tomorrow, upcoming and someday. Tap on any of the headings to add a task or tap on any of the tasks to mark it as completed. There is not much to customize apart from the bullet point colors and order of tasks. Following that is Datally, which allows you to monitor and save data. You can view your data usage for different days and which app consumes how much of your data. In case the usage is really high, you can turn on data saver, which will block data access for selected apps. So it's a nice app to manage mobile data, especially if there is high consumption in the background. After that we have Floating Bar, which is exactly as the name suggests. Tap on the arrow to expand to get a floating bar overlay on the screen. You can have it to show different app shortcuts, music controls, quick settings, weather, contacts, websites, upcoming events and recent apps. So there's a lot of content that a single bar can hold that you can get access to. You can change a few things about the tab such as the theme color, icon pack and even rearrange the tabs so it can be a handy little shortcut. Vimage is a cool photo editing app that you can use to convert stills to live photos. So first select the photo, then you can edit brightness, contrast and saturation. After which choose your desired effect and there's a variety to choose from. There's fireworks, starry sky, snow, fire, fog and many more. Then adjust the effects layer and you can also add a mask in case you don't show it on some certain places of the photo. Click on finish to have a really cool live image to share on different social media. Next we have notification history. You can see the history log of all the recent notifications along with the time. There's also an option for advanced notification history where you can see the notifications as you got it before. So it's not some fancy app, but it can help you out in case you miss or clear notifications by mistake. Moving on, we have One Weather. Opening it up, you're presented with the current weather conditions and other information in brief. You can swipe to the left to get a forecast for the whole week, and tapping on any of the day will give you more details on that day. Swipe again to see the probability of rain on different days, and you can also have an option for radar where you can zoom in and out on different locations. And finally, you can see the sun and moon positions throughout the day. So overall it's a great app, especially if weather affects you or your work. Last on the list we have Notin, which is a very basic concept. It adds notes to your notification bar. Just open the app, type a note and click on the plus sign to add it. Swipe down your notification bar to see the note. And you can dismiss it by clearing notifications. So it's a very easy way to take quick temporary notes.